Alright, coming up on US 1, Georgia 4, Georgia 57 turns to the right, but we're going to go right into Sanders. We're going right into Swainsboro city limits. We're going to go right through Swainsboro on 57. I guess this is still business 57. We usually bypass Swainsboro, but we're going to go right through town today. We're recording with the GoPro Black 10 and also the S20 Samsung. Both recording on high definition, full high definition. Last time we came through Swainsboro and got the city, it was raining. So this time ought to be a better video. We're in the city limits, but I don't know how far we are from town, so we may cut it off. Look, there's the old Corsair. Center. We could probably arrange for a tour of that, but I don't know that they would let me take my camera. They would probably, I don't really particularly want to do whatever it would take to get a tour. So we'll just bypass that. Like a National Guard armory. I'm not sure if this is the way we came out of Swainsboro or not because when we came through Swainsboro last time coming through town, we were coming from the south. We're headed south this time instead of headed north. At a good light for a good angle, or a good angle for a good light, good video. We're still heading toward east right now, but when we turn south, the sun will give us a little bit more grief. My way around here at all. Swainsboro, Ford, Lincoln. A lot of new trucks. Swainsboro to the left. South 56. I don't know which way we need to go. I want to come out on 57 again once we exit Swainsboro, heading south. We may have to get our Google Assistant out and get her to help us. Seeing a road sign for 57 now. 57 may have gone to to the left, but anyway, we'll figure it out. East US 80, we could take US 80 all the way to Savannah. Before I-16, that's where we had to go. Now we're not going to do any back and forth through the side streets. We're just going to find our way south or east. I say we're not. We always say things and then end up doing something completely different. I would still like to find 57 south. And go out. US 80 is straight. South Main. Let's go turn right and then we will. I don't know what we'll do. We'll just see. This looks like business, US 1 and 4. Swainsboro is a busy, good-sized town. City. None of this looks familiar because I haven't been through Swainsboro but one other, or maybe a couple other times, but it was a long time ago. This is business 1 south, so we could hit 57. If we keep this, we'll hit 57. But I'm thinking it'd be nice to do US 80. Wish we'd get a train, have a train. Stillmore 13, Lyons 30, Oak Park 15. I know nothing about any of those. Jeep looks like for sale. The Walmart over there. I don't know about this Walmart. That other Walmart that we came through, it had no overnight parking signs. I can't see it down there to tell whether it has also. I'm going to start uploading this S20 video when we turn it off. It'll be a complete video. I don't know what it'll look like. I won't have it in the computer. It's just going to upload it just like it is. Georgia State College. Looks like a nice park there, some pretty lakes. Might be able to get the fly fish in the water. We will have to come across Georgia 57 the way we're going. We may double back and take 80. I don't know. School there on the left. Yeah, I think we came in this way from the south last time. I guess we'll go ahead and cut it off. I'll start uploading this one from the S20. I don't know how big a file it is, how long it'll take, and that'll help. A lot of that'll depend on the reception. If it's not any good, I'll replace it with the GoPro Black 10 video.